Assalamualaikum everyone, yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be another toy review, but this toy review is also enjoyed by children and adults alike. Today's toy is, yes, you guessed it, Rush Hour Traffic Jam Game. So everyone, we have a lot of information to cover on this box. Let's get started. ThinkFun. From ThinkFun, everybody plays. So Rush Hour Traffic Jam Game. Just look at the picture here. Like, everyone's so angry, and then you're the one who's like, yay, I'm out of here. You shift the cars to escape the gridlock. Yep. Okay, 8 to adult. Fair enough. Single player. Includes 40 beginner to expert challenges to play. Ooh. This is the back. So, contents. 40 beginner to expert challenge cards. This is the toy. Here at the bottom, open it up. And here are the 40 cards. It's numbered 1 all the way to 40. See, they're all color coded. So green is beginner. Yellow, orangish is intermediate. Blue is advanced. And then red is expert. Solutions. At the back of each card, you will find the solution of the puzzle. They have given you in this way. They've also given you in this way. Instructions. You get a separate instruction card as well. This is the separate instruction card. Here it is. How to play. The object to slide the red car X, your car, through the opening in the playing grid frame. You need to slide it, and then that's the objective, to exit. Set up. Select a challenge card and place the cars and trucks on the playing grid as indicated by the illustration. So the card will have an image on it. That's what you can see here. I have to place the cars and trucks exactly like this shown on the card. To play, shift the blocking cars and trucks up and down, left and right until the path is clear to make good your escape. The only rule is you cannot lift the blocking cars or trucks off the playing grid surface. If you're stuck, just dump out the pieces and then reframe it and then start over again. If your brain stalls, the complete move sequence solution is printed on the back of each challenge card. You have to escape, like that's the goal of this game. So Rush Hour is a premier sliding block game designed to challenge your sequential thinking skills and perhaps your traffic officer aspirations as well. So there are 40 challenge cards and 4 levels of play: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and expert. To start, select a challenge card and place the cars and trucks on the playing grid as indicated. There's only one exit. You must shift the blocking cars and trucks out of your way until the path is clear to make good your escape. Once you begin to play, you cannot pick up a blocking car or truck. Only sliding is allowed. Start with beginner challenges and move up from there. By the time you hit expert challenges, you'll be ready for some of the meanest traffic unsnarling challenges ever imagined. If you find yourself hopelessly gridlocked, just dump the pieces out of the frame and start over. Drivers, start your engines! Happy motoring! Then you have the travel bag. Travel bag, very handy. This is your travel bag. Put it in. With all your cars and trucks. Close it. Here, you're ready to take it anywhere. 4 blocking trucks. 1, 2, 3, 4. 11 blocking cars. So here you have 11 blocking cars. There's a number written inside of each. I don't know if you can see it. That's number 5. This one is number 2. It's written there. And then you have one traffic grid, which is the game itself. Very nicely made, very sturdy. All the other cars don't have this wing thingy. So this shows that this is your fancy car. Okay, enough blah blah blah. Let's take it out. I have chosen my first card. Ta-da! I'm gonna place it here so I can see exactly how I have to set up. Then, in the travel bag, I have the cars and trucks. Okay, let's set up. So this is beginner level. Click, click, click. Okay, let's do this. I think this one is easy. Oh, no, I cannot. It is directly towards the exit, but I can't get there. Okay, I'm still stuck though. No, why am I stuck? Yes. Okay. Oh. Now, how do I get out of that? Okay. No, I'm still stuck. Now I'm just moving pieces around. Okay, I need to make room for this. I did, but then... Yay! See you later, alligator! I am so happy. I am so happy. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, constructive comments, and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.